Hey guys, I'm Mark. For those who are new, thank you very much for coming to my channel, and I really hope that you will be subscribed too. And for those who are subscribed, thank you very much for staying on my channel for so many years. Recently, I've been very blessed to be given the opportunity to work with Flykeys by Pearl River. Today, I would like to share with you about their entry-level, budget-friendly Flykeys 88 keys digital piano, the FP6. One of the most important things when it comes to digital piano, at least to me, are the keys. The FP6 uses the dynamic weighted hammer action tree, which is a technology from Italy that makes this digital piano feels like a real grand piano when you're playing on it. And the second most important thing about a digital piano would be the sound of the piano. So the FP6 uses the German Schimmel Grand piano sound, which is really immersive when you are playing on it. It is very, very expressive. And thirdly, audio-wise, for Pearl River and Flykeys being a very established producers of amplifiers, they're able to put in their very immersive headphone technology into this piano, which means if you're putting on a headphone, you can feel like you're actually playing in the concert hall. And the speakers are really good as well. So it features two 25-watt speakers, which is very, very loud and very, very clear. And if you're someone who produces music from your home like myself, the USB MIDI on the piano is actually very useful for you to connect to your computer and to audio software, and you can play your favorite songs. And if you're someone who loves to relax and wind down and listen to music on your leisure time, the Bluetooth audio is a very good technology that is included in this piano, where you can just listen, connect to your phone and listen to your favorite music. On top of that, there are also two headphones jack on this piano, so you can listen to yourself or enjoy it with a loved one. And besides that, the FP6 is also pretty light. It is about 13 kilograms, where one person can carry it and you can perform it on stage or outside if you like. All in all, I think the FP6 is a very budget-friendly, pretty light digital piano for beginners to intermediate who love music and who love to play the piano, and I think you will really enjoy it. You can find out more about this digital piano in the link in the description below. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope to see you in the next video.